Hi, I'm Bon, and I'm here to teach you about blizzards
Blizzards!
with my assistant, Eddie.
What is a blizzard?
It is a really strong snowstorm with harsh winds.
What are the levels?
1 is fun, 5 is really dangerous.
What are the color levels?
Color levels are green is the best and red is the worst.
Where do you go?
If you rent a house far away from a storm, if you don't, go to your basement.
What are the sicknesses?
Well, frostbite and a cold.
What tools can help you during a blizzard?
A shovel and a plow.
Where do you put your important stuff like jewelry?
In the basement because if the roof collapses.
What are some interesting facts?
Snow can be up to 20 feet tall and up down the trees.
Keep your roof from collapsing by making sure it's strong.
Snow can help plants like acting like a blanket.
Blizzards can be so tall cars can get stuck. Whiteouts are when the snow is so heavy and there is strong winds when all you can see outside is a cloud of white.
What should entertain teens?
Xbox, board games, toys, dolls, computers, and iPads.